I stay home if it rains. I stay home if it rains.
I wash my hands before I cook. I wash my hands before I cook.
I clean the table before I eat. I clean the table before I eat.
I eat if I am hungry. I eat if I am hungry.
I wash the dishes after I eat. I wash the dishes after I eat.
I clean the kitchen after I cook. I clean the kitchen after I cook. I see that it is raining. I see that it is raining.
I believe that he is kind. I believe that he is kind.
I rest if I feel tired. I rest if I feel tired.
I drink water if I feel thirsty. I drink water if I feel thirsty. I prepare food before I eat dinner. I prepare food before I eat dinner. I turn off the lights before I sleep. I turn off the lights before I sleep. I feel better after I eat. I feel better after I eat.
I relax after I finish my work. I relax after I finish my work.
I eat breakfast before I go to work. I eat breakfast before I go to work. I drink water after I exercise. I drink water after I exercise. I know that I can learn this. I know that I can learn this. I remember that we met before. I remember that we met before. I hope that today is good. I hope that today is good. I hear that the bus is late. I hear that the bus is late.
I study English if I have time. I study English if I have time.
I take a break if I feel stressed. I take a break if I feel stressed. I walk to work if the bus is late. I walk to work if the bus is late. I am sure that this will help. I am sure that this will help. I realize that I was wrong. I realize that I was wrong. I notice that it is quiet. I notice that it is quiet. I wear a jacket if it is cold. I wear a jacket if it is cold. I go to bed early if I feel sleepy. I go to bed early if I feel sleepy. I understand that this is hard. I understand that this is hard. I feel that I did my best. I feel that I did my best. I think that it is easy. I think that it is easy.